As we make our way through an already pacing year of 2023, BAPS, Shri Swaminarayan Sanstha South Africa, takes this opportunity to look back and reflect on the progresses made in the year of 2022. From Vedic Shilanyas Mahotsav for the upcoming Shikharbad Mandir, celebrating His Holiness Pramukh Sai Maharaj's birth centenary celebration through a grand festival of inspiration, and to making significant strides in the construction phases of the BAPS Shri Swaminarayan Mandir and Cultural Complex here in Johannesburg, South Africa. Many key milestones have been met in the completion of the Haveli and the Cultural Complex. Let us witness this progress. As a matter of fact, I am currently standing in what will soon be the Sant Nivas. This will formally be the residence of the BAPS Swamis who will be placed in Johannesburg to drive the many social, cultural and religious activities of BAPS in Southern Africa. Block A and B of the complex, which houses the Swami's residence and administrative offices, also contains classrooms for various youth assemblies, along with an exhibition hall. Looking around at the hundreds of columns that have been raised and the tons of steel and concrete that have been used in just this past year alone, we begin to appreciate the sheer magnitude of the project. Just to give you a sense of understanding, in this area alone, 190 tons of steel was used to support the 7,992 square meters of concrete slab casts, and a total of 211 columns were raised. Blocks C and D will house a flagship Shrine store and restaurant, a dining hall, and indoor sports facilities, and a grand 2,000-seater banquet hall and kitchens. These required the raising of 119 columns, and a total of 2,240 square meters of concrete was poured into the various slabs. To put that into perspective, that's the size of 12 fully fledged tennis courts. A monument to youth development, family unity, community upliftment, and spiritual enrichment is rising right before our eyes in Johannesburg. Now, with the conclusion of the year-long celebration of His Holiness Pramukh Sai Maharaj's birth centenary, we look ahead in 2023 that will see an acceleration in construction as we come closer to the completion of the entire complex. Join us in the next update as we witness the culmination of spirituality, engineering, and the spirit of volunteerism in bringing the Mandir and the cultural complex from the ground up, brick by brick.